Alright, so doing a little Powermaster service on James Green's Grand National before he goes back to his area where he's from. Car's pretty much complete. Brakes are working well, but we're going to just do some preventative maintenance. We're going to put a new accumulator ball on it, the new design. You can see it down there. I did a little sucky suck with the Mighty Vac. I already bled the brakes when the car's put back together. I also depressurized the accumulator, which I'm sure everybody knows. You unplug this switch here and you pump it until the pedal gets hard. So now I'm going to fill it back up. Leave the ignition on, plug this in. May not be able to see it, but when it goes all the way down, you just add a little bit like that. There it is, just to make it quiet. Okay, the accumulator ball is full. The level is very low, and I usually just keep it about an inch, maybe an inch, maybe a half inch, and I'm gonna let it ride just like that. Yes, the fluid's gonna turn black. It can't help but do that because brake fluid absorbs everything out of the air, which is hydroscopic, I think is the word. So we keep the actual brake side full, because that's for the brakes, and this side here is for the accumulator ball. The accumulator ball is filled up by the Powermaster motor down there. On the back side of the Powermaster motor is a pump, which you really can't see because I don't have my flash on, but the pump pumps it up. It keeps it pressurized. There's a check valve down in there that sometimes it will leak. Richard Clark has a video out there on YouTube of how to fix that, and that's about it. This Powermaster is actually in very good health, and I would have no qualms using it in my car, even though with all the folklore out there, everybody has an opinion, and I have mine.